will be your class teacher for this afternoon. So welcome to our university. I'm Professor Mads and I hope pakisara po ng mga pintuan, bawal po ang cutting classes. Okay, ang mag-cutting class, hindi magda-diamond director. Oh, isusumpa. Anyway, so this afternoon, we're going to talk about winning with Cellsentials and how to sell your products in 7 days. So okay lang po ba taas ang kamay? Nung mga less than 2 months of business? Higher, higher, higher! Be proud! Ayan. Okay, so welcome everyone. Okay lang, ito naman. Taas ang kamay ng mga 2 months above sa business! Woo! Ayan. So welcome everyone. So, why are we here? Bakit kayo nandito? Okay. Nagulat tayo. Why are we here? Because syempre, we want to build our confidence when it comes not only to the business, but of course, to our products. Because sabi nga, the soul of every company is our very good. And you know what, guys? I remember, because when I started Usana, I was working for 3 years already. And you know what? When I was presented, wala pa akong pera. Okay, so, ang sabi sa akin nung nag-invite sa akin, bibili lang daw ako ng products, member na. So I was expecting, bibili ako ng mga tig 2,000, member na. Tama ka, sabi niya, bibili lang daw eh. Hindi niya sinabi kung magkano. So I was expecting 2,000, 3,000. So sabi niya sa akin, that time this was 13 years ago, wag na kayo magalit. 17,990. Oh, alam mo, nung narinig ko yun, 17,990, gusto kong mag-walling. Gusto mo pa walling kasi nandilim yung paningin ko. Kailangan ko na makakapitan. Kasi alam mo yung gustong-gusto na, yet, wala akong pera. So, sabi nga, pag gusto, laging may? Yes. So, ang ginawa ko po, eto na. Nangutang ako sa, nakakahiya, kasi pamilyadong tao, may anak na nagtatrabaho, pero nangutang pa sa nanay, so nangutang ako sa nanay ko. Okay? And then, nangutang ako sa best friend ko for the first time in my life. Nung single po ako nagpapautang, ako nilalapitan. Tapos sabi ko, grabe, pag may anak ka na, ikaw pala nilalapit. But sabi ko, anyway, okay lang, tumisan lang naman. Ngayon ako mangungutang. And then, tuition fee ko sa Masteral, okay, nag-promissory note muna ako. Although meron naman kaming scholarship kasi pag may Latin honor ka, free, yes, meron kang scholarship. But kasi sa school kasi namin, you have to pay first and then refund. Tama ba din? Ayan. So anyway, di promissory note muna. Ito na. Alam niyo po, I started with 6 Cellsentials. Yes. So sino po nag-start dito ng 6 na Cellsentials? Be proud. Yan. And of course, congratulations sa mga mapapera dyan na may pang 300 points at 500 points package. Okay, congratulations kasi may naisubi at may naipon. But anyway, ayan. Ayan. But anyway, paano ko po ginawa ng paraan? When I have the products, 6 yun. Di ba nanguta ko sa nanay ko? Tama? Yung 2 Cellsentials, pinadala ko po agad sa nanay ko. Ang sabi ko, Ma, you know what? That is more than what I owe you. Pero since nanay kita, quits na tayo. So, I was able to pay my mom. Not in money, but in terms of products. Okay? But the rest, okay. O, diba? Para-paraan. Ayan. And then, the other 2, binenta ko, nakabenta, binayaran ko agad yung best friend ko. Kasi ang mantra ko sa buhay, pag naghiram ka, i-soli mo. Kasi the next time na mangailangan ka, wala nang magtitiwala sa'yo. Okay? And, eto na. So, syempre, kailangan kong gamitin. So, alam niyo po ba, hanggang ngayon, awul ako. Wala, research na lang ang kulang, kaya master's undergrad ako. So, hindi na po ako pumasok sa masteral ko. Diba, sabi ko, hay nako, dudugong ilong ko dito. Para saan? 1,000, 2,000 pesos a month na extra income? Samantala makabenta ako 1-2 Cellsentials, tapos ang laban. Tama? Hindi pa dumugo ang ilong ko, hindi pa dumugo ang tenga ko, at kung ano man ang butas na dudugo, hindi dudugo. Diba? Sabi ko, push ko na lang to. Cellsentials lang katapas ito. Tama? Kaya, tuturuan namin kayo how to dispose your products and of course, how to sell your Guys, konting ano naman. Konting participation. Ako nga, di pa ako makain eh. May energy ako. Kayo nga nakaupo lang, sasagot lang eh. So how to sell your? Yung hindi bumukang bibig dyan, kita ni Lord, hindi magda-diamond. But anyway, let's start with these stats. Okay, sabi dito, ayan, bakit kailangan natin ng Cell Essentials? Because 7 out of 10 Filipinos die of degenerative diseases. Mataas yan? Yes, very mataas po yan. Sobra actually, nung pandemic, a lot of people are actually dying of degenerative diseases. Majority of the death came from degenerative diseases, hindi po sa COVID. Okay? And, ito na, 1 out of 5 Filipinos have mental health issues. And you know what? Ito, mataas din yan. And kailangan, guys, your brain is also an organ. Kung sumakit yung atay, balon-balunan, puso mo, di ba? Binibigyan mo ng atensyon. So if you have problem with your mental health, which is your brain, it's also an organ na kailangan din po ng atensyon. So hindi po dapat natin ini-invalidate yan. Not just because, depressed ka lang, pahinga ka lang, move on. Ay, hindi po. Di ba, there are certain chemicals in our brain na hindi po talaga kaya. Di ba? Nang relax lang. Okay? Because it's also an organ. Okay? And of course, eto na. Right now, we have a huge percentage of people that's actually using or drinking or taking supplements. 80% of age 35 plus and 88% of age 16 and 34. And you know what? Nakakatuwa itong numbers na to. Because I started in 2011 when I was 25 years old. That was 13 years ago. And 13 years ago, we have a different scenario. Imagine mo, nung 25 ako that time, parang mali naibulgar natin. So, nung 25 ako that time, imagine mo, hindi uso sa amin ng supplements. Yes, tama. Ang supplement po, it's more of luxury than necessity. So when I talk to my friends, here is the Cell Essentials, good for you. Ay nako, walang umiinom ng vitamins. Ang iniinom, Red Horse at San Mig Light. Diba? At uso nun, tugs. Ganyan. So, sabi ko, ano ba yan? Yun yung mga ka-age mate ko eh. And you know what I realized that time? My parents have problems. And yung friend kong fellow 25, kung wala kang problema, I'm very sure yung parents yan may problema din. So I started with my titos and titas. But you know what? This is a good news. Why? Kasi makikita mo that the market is evolving. People right now are getting more conscious. Imagine, 10 years ago, a decade ago, wala pong mga spa, walang mga gym. Diba? Ngayon, nagkalat ang spa, nagkalat ang gym. Lahat ng mga, and even, like sabi ko nga sa States, way back then, ang mga hospital, they call it medical center, but they change it to wellness center because their goal is to cater well-being people entering the hospital and maintaining their good health. That's why, nung nakita ko yung USANA, ang practice natin sa Philippines, we are very laid back. So 10 years ago, ang practice natin, pupunta ka sa ospital, yung tipong ngiwi ka na, yung tipong lampa ka na, yung tipong gagapang ka na. Okay? Bago ka pumunta sa ospital kasi our focus here is curative and diagnostic. And when I saw USANA and I saw what's happening in the States, na they're focusing on prevention, sabi ko, in the future, Philippines will be like that. That is our direction. And true enough, right now, here, these are your data. Palakpakan naman natin to. Yan. And here's a good thing. Because I know, hindi lang kayo nandito for Cell Essentials, right? You're here because you want to push the business. Tama? Alam niyo po ba na in 2030, the expected cost of degenerative diseases, papalo po siya ng $30 to $60 trillion. Ulitin ko po, the cost of degenerative diseases in 2030, papalo po siya ng $20 to $60 trillion. Anong point ko? This number is expected to go up. And the amount of yung gagastusin ng mga tao will go up. Ano yung point ko? Ilang years na lang ba bago mag-2036? 6. So imagine mo, 6 years from now, dalawa lang yan. It's either you're gonna be part of the problem or you're gonna be part of the solution. Tama? So, my question is, are you gonna be part of the problem or are you gonna be part of the solution? Tama. Because yung pag-aalaga mo sa health and yung prevention ng gastusin mo 6 years from now will happen today and will start now. And yung tulong mo sa mga tao that will gagastos 6 years from now and will be part of the 60 trillion, di ba mape-prevent natin yon na maggumastos sila by helping people, give them more knowledge about Usana and our wonderful product which is Cellsentials, our flagship products. Okay? Palakpakan nyo naman po yung Cellsentials. Ang hirap. Parang lunch yung talk, pero 3 naman ah. But anyway, this is the good news. Ang ganda po ng Usana. Why? Because the founder, para po sa bago, our founder is a scientist, an immunologist, so someone who studied the immune system, and a microbiologist, someone who studies small particles. So we were talking about cells and immune system at the same time. And di ba that's our goal? Tama? And our founder, ang vision niya po is a dream of a world free from pain and suffering. I dream of a world free from disease. The Usana family will be the healthiest family on earth. And alam niyo po ba, paano niya na-start ang Usana? Nakwento na po ba sa inyo? Hindi pa. Gusto niyo po ba ikwento ko? Paano po sinimula ni Dr. Wenz ang Usana? Okay. Sigurado kayo? Okay, ganito po yun. Ay, hindi nagpapilit. Ganito po yun. Nung unang panahon, ganito po yun. Nung 70s, people are actually dying of viruses, di ba? Stuff like that. Parang, hindi uso ang degenerative, di ba? Parang nung time na yun, pag may nagka-cancer, cancer! Ganon. Parang ngayon, nagka-cancer, okay, cancer. Parang it's a normal. Pero way back then, it's those stuff, or, di ba, hindi siya the usual. So, ang company niya is called the Gall Laboratory. They make antiviruses. Actually, it's the man behind the Epstein-Barr virus na discovery and the treatment kit, he's the one who made it. So, pag meron kang ginagawang mga vaccine, ang ginagawa po nila, siyempre, paano mo malaman na effective? Tama? So, ang ginagawa po nila, nag-extract sila ng cell sa katawan ng tao. Okay? At ang cell po, like, 24 hours to 48 hours, deads. Why? Because it's outside the host. No one will nourish it. Okay? Kasi it's outside the host. Tinanggal mo sa katawan, nasa petri dish. So, he found a formula, okay, of combination of vitamins, minerals, micronutrients to feed the cell so that the cell won't die. Para dumating yung time na makikita niya may effect yung mga antivirus niya at gumana, makita niya buhay pa yung cell. Tama? Naintindihan yon? Ito na. So of course, si Dr. Wenz, his parents died of degenerative diseases. Okay? So, and he's getting not so young. So he started looking for supplement for himself. So he started going to the wellness store and look for supplement. Ito na. So pagpunta niya, ito, naglalakad siya. Pagpunta niya sa shelves, okay? Ay, may vitamins. Of course, if you're someone knowledgeable, the first thing that you're gonna look is the nutritional facts at the back of the label. Tama? Kayo din ba? Tumitingin? Oh, very good. Scientist. So anyway, titingnan. So anyway, pagtingin niya, sabi niya, oh my God! Ay, hindi ganyan ha. Ako lang yun. Parang, oh my God! Sabi niya. Kung ito lang yung laman na nutrients nitong vitamins na to, die. Kung ipakain ko to dun sa cell, sa petri dish ko, deads. Tama? Kung ito lang. How much more yung human body na made up of trillions of cells? So sabi niya, X to. Hindi ganun syempre. Akin lang yun. So in short, wala siyang mahanap na maayos na supplement in the market. So, doon siya nag-start to actually formulate the right combination of vitamins, minerals, and antioxidant that will actually help prepare the whole body. And because of that research, he was awarded Albert Einstein Award. Alam nyo na. And, of course, we're talking about the formula. And of course, yung formula na yon, charan, andyan. Nasa essentials natin. Okay? Ang galing, di ba? Mm. But of course, to add on, balik tayo. Aside that our founder is a scientist, we have additional 150 plus scientists. So if you share this with your friend and your friend told you, ay, magre-research muna ako. Dai, hindi ka researcher. Dai, hindi ka scientist. Ito 150. Nag-research na sila para sa'yo. Tigilan mo na. 'Di ba? Nung uminom ka nga ng Coca-Cola na may formaldehyde eh. 'Di ba? Nung uminom ka nga ng Coca-Cola na may formalin, hindi ka naman nag-research. Etong healthy, magre-research ka ngayon? Bigay mo yung credentials sa 150 scientists para walang say. Pero syempre, hindi po ganun. Kailangan mabait. Ako lang yun, ha? Ako lang yun. Kailangan, dapat ganyan kayo magbagsak, yung hindi nakakainis. Baka ganyan sabihin mo, kumakayosi ka dyan, wagas, tapos vitamins, wag ganon. Kailangan mabait. And, eto na. Eto, ay listen muna dito, guys. Mamaya na chismis. FDA, we are not only FDA-approved product, we are also FDA-approved facility. NSF, National Sanitation Foundation, of course, and USPA, United States Pharmacopoeia, wherein they check all the health products. And of course, we are all here. Diba? And may clinical trials tayo. And all of our research are published in PubMed.com. When I'm doing my master's, of course, we have research. I get my research at PubMed.com. So that's why, amazed ako sa iyo sana because most of their researches are published there. And they are in partners with University of Colorado, University of Utah, Sydney University of Diabetes, etc., etc. Those universities, we are in partners with them with 150 plus scientists pa. Okay? And we are actually number 1 by Euromonitor for consecutive years. I'll give emphasis lang dito. Kasi we didn't join. Hindi tayo nag-join. They voluntarily get our data. And upon getting our data, they give us an award as the number 1 supplement in the Philippines. And here's the thing. We are direct selling. We are network marketing, tama? Ang kasama po natin dyan are supplements distributed through the traditional marketing. Meaning yung nagko-commercial, nakikita mo sa mga mall and stuff. But you know what? Yung top 15, di ba number 1 ang USANA? So may top 2 to top 15. No other direct selling company on those top 2 to 15. So, ibig sabihin, wala po tayong kakompetensya. Tama? Parang hindi kayo na-excite doon. Parang ako lang na-excite. Hindi kayo na-excite doon? Kasi, parang ako lang na-excite. Kasi di ba parang, ay, may pumunta po dito sa Fern F. Or si Fern G. Sabi, ay, ang lakas po nito sa amin, ganyan. Nay, tingnan natin yung sales. Tingnan natin yung BIR. Diba? Because numbers doesn't lie. Diba? Yun ang kailangan natin. I mean, lahat naman, gumaling. Diba? Pero, kailangan may pruweba. So, top 1, USANA, direct selling. 2 to 15, traditionally marketed. Huwag na natin alam yung masyadong malalim. It doesn't matter. So, no competition. Tama? Okay, sige, ako na lang. Ako na lang masaya doon. And anyway, champions choose USANA. Alam niyo po, hayaan niyo ni mga friends yung mga arte. Pero ito, pakita niyo sa kanila. Imagine, sa lahat ng iinom ng USANA, ng vitamins, the athletes, yan po yung pinaka-meticuloso. Why? Because their blood are being tested every time. And if you're gonna find like bad substances in it, automatic strip out ka ng medals mo. Yung pinaghirapan mong medalya buong buhay mo, strip out ka. And if you work in a team, the whole team will be stripped out of medal. Ganyan po ka-meticuloso. That's why hindi mo yun basta-basta mapapainom. And considering we sponsor thousands of athletes, it says about the company and the brand itself. Agree? let's go back to the formulation of Dr. Wenz, the Cellsentials. So, sino na po dito, taas ang kamay, yung totoo, nakatikim ng Cellsentials, taas ang kamay. Kakakuha lang, don't worry. Oh, at least, mamaya, excited ka ng tikman. Kasi kakakuha lang. Okay lang, welcome natin sila, yung titikim pa lang. Kasi ma-excite ka sa matitikman mo. So, power of Cellsentials. What's on the label? Oh, nakalagay sa barcode. Drug Registered Home Remedy. It's a treatment for vitamin deficiency. Okay? Treatment for vitamin deficiency. Okay? And, nakalagay dyan, ayan, of course, walang nakalagay na no approved therapeutic claims in Tagalog, hindi nakagagaling. Promise. Walang ganon. And in every label, ang makikita mo dyan is the signature of our founder, Dr. Wenz. Pag may signature, anong ibig sabihin? There's always a legal implication if there's signature. So ikaw, kung bago ka, huwag kang mahiyang i-share yung USANA. Ako nga, licensed nurse ako dito and as well in States. I have good credentials. Pwede kong, nahiya ako i-share to kasi baka hindi naman maganda yan. Day, si Dr. Wenz, pinirmahan niya. Ibig sabihin, in every bottle na i-share mo sa mga friends mo, tinaya niya na yung karangalan, dignidad at lahat ng credentials niya. Day, siya na yung humarap para sa'yo. So kung hindi ka nasa medical field, hindi ka researcher, okay, at wala kang credentials, don't worry. Kasi si Dr. Wenz na, isa na lang alang niya na yung pangalan niya para sa'yo. Okay? In every bottle. Okay? And of course, we have intelligence technology. It's very powerful. I will not expand on that kasi baka mag-nosebleed kayo. But of course, it's very powerful. Siguro I can give you a glimpse of what it is later, but not so much. Okay? But of course, let's talk about why is USANA the best? Aside sa comparative guide, familiar lahat sa comparative guide, which is the comparison of all the nutritional supplements. Very good. Thank you, dear. Pahiram. Galing-galing. Ayan. Bigyan ng jacket. Joke lang. Joke lang po, joke lang. Hindi po ako may-ari ng USANA. Speaker lang po ako. Baka mamigay ako. Wala po akong pa-jacket. Anyway, this is the comparative guide. This is done by Dr. Lon McWilliam. He's the Canadian Parliament of Health. It's like Juan Slavier of Philippines. Okay, but he is located in Canada together with hundreds of clinicians here. They conducted a research. They gathered all the top supplement in the world. Thousands of supplement in the world. But of course, there's a criteria here. And ang napasama na lang sa book is 1,600. So parang sa Miss Universe. Okay? May process of elimination. Pag hindi ka nakapasok sa top 15, laglag ka na, nga ka na. Wala na, hindi ka maganda. Joke lang. Okay? So dito, top 1,600 lang to. Okay? So ibig sabihin, pag wala dito yung brand na tinitik ng kapitbahay mo, lolo mo, nga na yun, wala na yun. Hindi na pumasok sa criteria. Okay? So andito lang yung 1,600. And of course, USANA bag 5-star here. 5-star quality day. Rated supplement, 0 as low as 5-star as highest. USANA bag 5-star. Of course, hindi lang ng USANA naka 5-star. But of course, among all the 5-star, USANA lang po available sa Philippines at USANA lang ang pinaka-affordable. The other one is Douglas. My friend who is a pediatrician used to get it from States. It's 100 pesos per tablet. Same 5-star. But USANA is here. And aside from this, we have an additional book. They talk about absorption rate. USANA's absorption rate is 96.1. That's why it has a very high bioavailability. Okay? So, sino po ang may librong comparative guide? Nabasa niyo po ba? Yung stars lang. Pero kung ano man laman, bahala na si Batman. But anyway, nasaan po yung paper plate natin? I need volunteers. Yung magvo-volunteer, ano yon? Mag-gold agad-agad. I need 5 free radicals. Sinong gusto maging free radicals? 5. Paunahan dito, 5 free radicals. 5. 1. 2. Sige. 3. 4. Ay, 5. Ay, sige po. Yan lang. Oh. Yan. Okay. Thank you, guys. Ayan. Oh. Sige, okay lang po. Alika, ikaw na si Vitamin E. Ikaw. Andito ka, Vitamin E. Dito ka, Vitamin E. Ayan. I'll teach you with them bakit tayo complete, bakit tayo balance, bakit tayo bioavailable, bakit tayo potent, and bakit tayo safe. Teka, nagbasa. Okay. And I need glutathione, 1 glutathione. Go, tita. And 1 vitamin C. 1 vitamin C. O, yan. Oh. Tandaan niyo po, ha? O, ayan. Pakilala po. Name, and then kung ano ka.
I'm Sylvia Almeda, glutathione.
Kulang. Dapat. Diamond Director, Mads, glutathione. Parang ganon. May title.
Okay.
Als, ang atom niyan, they contain 1 electron. Tama? Ay, hindi. Oh my God! Explain ko lang na mabilis. Loading, explain ko lang na mabilis, okay? Tayo po, sa katawan natin, nagpuproduce tayo ng free radical. Ang free radical po, sila yung responsable kung bakit tayo tumatanda, nangungulubot ang balat, mamamatay, mabubulok sa lupa, and the cycle goes on. Because tayo po ay hindi immortal. Hindi tayo immortal, tayo ay mortal. So we are destined to die. And that is because of the free radicals. So normal aging process, they help in that. Stress, we are producing it. Actually, right now, I'm producing free radical because I'm exerting effort. And I'm using my brain cells. And I'm talking, I'm using my muscles. So I'm producing free radicals. Kaya nga I'm asking you for your participation. Para patas ang laban. Alangan ako lang ang tumanda. My God! Siyempre, para pare-pareho tayo mag-produce ng free radical. Hindi lang ako. Kasi even if you're sitting there but you're listening, you're producing free radical. Okay? When you eat, it's about normal byproducts of metabolism. And of course, we eat. Diba? We breathe. We produce free radicals. The problem lang is when we are bombarded by stress, pollution, faulty eating habits, yung normal production niya sa katawan, mas mabilis 10 times, 100 times. Kaya if you're stressed, you look older than your age. Diba? When you eat bad food, you look older than your age. Ganun siya kasi mas marami ka production ng free radicals. If you are exposed to radiation, pollution, bad people, you are producing more free radicals. Gets? Kaya dapat nandito ka sa iyo sana para healthy yung community. Pag nasa labat ka, maraming negatron, maraming free radicals. Dapat hindi ka mawawala sa sirkulasyon, okay? So, ito na. So, paano nila sinisira ang cell? Paano nabubulok ang cell with them? Usually po ang cell, ako na si cell. Ayan na. Example, halika muna free radical. Taas ka dito sa stage bar. Hawakan mo to. Imagine niyo po atom yan. Circle. So, ako si cell. Si cell, I have 2. Your atom contains 2 electron. Dalawa lagi yan, para balanse. Okay? Si free radical, pag pumunta yan sa katawan mo, may isa yan. So, imbalance siya. So ang gagawin niya, lumapit ka, nakawin mo tong isa. Ay, ninakaw. Ninakaw niya, so ako, I will die. Katok. Yon. So ako, mabubulok, masisira. But of course, I'm just one cell. So you won't feel a thing, okay? Because you are made up of trillions of cells. So para kang may trilyong piso. No, laglagan ka ng piso, ramdam mo? Hindi. Of course, isa lang ako eh. So marami pang cells, you won't feel a thing. It's not a disease. Until madaming free radicals. Gets? Ayan na. So eto na. Paano papasok ang ating mga vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants? Ang ating cell essentials. Diba? Anong ginagawa nila sa sa free radicals. How do they protect our body? Paano? Example, where's vitamin E? Yan. O, diyan lang tambay, dito lang po kayo sa Excel. Backup dancer po kayo eh. Ito po talaga ang ating main event, si vitamin E. So, napagod na ako. So, ang main event po natin is the vitamin E. Ayan na. Thank you, may patubig. Thank you, mabawasan yung free radical. O, ayan. Tigi-isa kayo, ha? Pakita nyo, labas nyo. O, ito yung mga free radical, bibigyan natin sila ng electron. Tigi-isa lang. Yan. O, dito kayo manggagaling. Dito kayo manggagaling. Papunta yun. Pupuntahan nyo si body. Ayan. Ito na. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ayan. 1. Ay. Wait na nga lang. Ay. Tanggalin mo din. Ayan. Oh, ayan. Oh, halika na. Free radical, ito na yung script natin. Ayan. Isa lang, hawag sugapan. So, dapat yung, ganon. Oh. Tukunin nyo. Okay, ito na. Na-briefing ko na yung mga, natin, actors. Ayan. Diyan lang po kayo. Ibigay natin yan kay vitamin E. Tanggalin niyo po yung mga dikit. Didikit natin sa kanya. Ayan na. So, ito na. Ako na si Sel. Okay, ako si Sel. So, dapat, a-attack nyo ko. Ito na. Lights, camera. Ako si Sel! Sino sila? Sino to? Ayan na. Okay, lights, camera, action! Oh. Okay, balik na. Thank you, Vitamin E, for saving me. Palakpakan natin si Vitamin E. Yes! At ang mga free radical natin, balanse na sila. So, hindi na sila windang kasi dalawa na yung electrons nila. But, wait, there's more. Nakikita niyo po ba si Vitamin E? Anong itsura nga ni Vitamin E? May kamukha to kanina. May isang electron. Anong itsura niya? Exactly my point. Now, vitamin E can be a free radical floating in your body kasi nanakawan siya ng electron. Mukha na siya ngayong free radical and it can be a garbage in your body. So what will glutathione and vitamin C will do? Recharge, recharge, recharge. Well, thank you, glutathione and vitamin C, for your support to vitamin E. Ayan. Ayan. Yan po. Picture naman tayo sa ating mga volunteers. May pa-giveaway. Bigyan ng jacket. Hindi po ito jacket. Sama ako kayo. Yan. Free radicals. Okay, thank you guys. Okay. Thank you. Nakita nyo? Vitamins and minerals work together in synergy, not alone. So even if you have vitamin E in your body, if you don't have glutathione and vitamin C, it's useless. No one will recharge vitamin E. Pero if you have glutathione, o sino naman ang haharap kay free radical? Sige nga, mag-glutathione ka, sakitin ka naman. 'Di ba? Paganda ka. Paputi ka nga, day. May cancer ka naman mamaya-maya. O, push mo yan. 'Di ba? Gluta pa more, inject pa more. O, so, pwede po wag na spotlight ng init. Ang init. So, they work together in synergy. They work in a way that they help each other. Kaya pansinin niyo po, yung essentials natin, ang daming laman. Because it is actually formulated in a way that everyone will help each other. They have different function as a vitamin or as a mineral, but each one support each other. Kaya pansinin nyo po, if you're familiar with your optimizer, kahit optimizer, no single ingredient. Kahit optimizer mo, 4, 5 ang laman. Because they work together in synergy. That's how it works. Okay? And of course, that's why it's complete. Huwag ka na magreklamo, ang daming laman. Kasi nga, pinag-aralan na nga nila yung ganun. Alam mo ba yun? Hindi nga, di ba? Hindi natin yun alam. Na ganun pala yung ginagawang akala natin, basta pag nakapag-vitamin C ka, nakapag-vitamin E ka, tama na. Di ba? Pinag-aralan na nila yun kung bakit ganyan yung formula ni Yusana. Kung bakit nga yan Albert Einstein awardee si Dr. Wentz eh. Because it's so complete, it is actually intended to support your body. Okay? And it is balanced. Okay? Kasi nga, with the right, hindi mo pwedeng sabihin, bakit ilang milligrams lang yan? Ilang milligrams lang yan, but it has this mineral, it has this vitamin that will support that vitamin and mineral. So it doesn't really matter kung maliit yan compared to other brand. Yung ibang brand, 10,000 milligrams nga, pero siya lang, who will support? Gets? So it was never created that way, so it's balanced. And of course, it's potent. And it has high bioavailability. Common misconception na pag ang product, madalas, ay juice. Okay? Ay mas mabilis ma-absorb. Of course, exemption yung collagen. Okay? Okay, exemption yung collagen because it's not a vitamin and it's not a mineral. But of course, ang vitamin and mineral po, they were best absorbed in your duodenum. Oh, wait lang. Small intestine na lang po. Yung small intestine mo, may part yun, duodenum. O sige, dapat na-absorb siya sa small intestine. Yung atin po, tablet siya. It is vegetable-coated in a way na malampasan niya yung acidity ng tiyan mo, makapunta siya dun sa small intestine kasi dun siya required ma-absorb. High bioavailability, 96.1 absorption rate. Initan ako. And, kaya, pag meron nagtinda dyan mga juice ko po. Sa mouth pa lang yun, ubus na. Dito pa lang na-absorb na. So, pag na-absorb, sa tiyan mo, acidic, ubus na. Doon nga siya kakailanganin sa small intestine mo para ma-absorb. That's why, kita mo yung absorption rate nila 5%, 10%, because naubos na. O, diba? Basta po, yung vitamin brand is in form of juice and capsule, it's a cheap brand. Huwag mo naman sabihin sa ay, that's cheap. Huwag ganon, atin-atin. Huwag ganon. And, lastly, it's so safe. Actually po, where's our cell essentials? Asan po yung cell essentials natin? Ayan. Ito po yung cell essentials natin. Pag po may gustong magpakamatay, joke lang, pero pag may gusto pong magpakamatay, inumin itong buong bottle. Sad to say, hindi po talaga matutuluyan. Hindi po kasi talaga, kahit ubusin mo to lahat. Oh, ay, mamamatay ka pa sa yung mabilaukan. What's mabilaukan? Choke! Sa choking, but not on drinking. Because this is very safe. Because most of your vitamins are water-soluble. Ibig sabihin, pag hindi ginamit ang katawan at hindi kailangan, iiihi. Okay? I'm talking about Yusana's Essentials. Of course, hindi yung iba. Yung sa atin. It was created that way. And yung mga fat-soluble nating vitamins dito na hindi maiihi ng katawan natin, naka-inactive form. Kaya say, for example, vitamin A. Vitamin A is toxic. So, ang nakalagay po natin dito is beta-carotene. Ang beta-carotene is the precursor in active form. So, pag ininom mo, ang iinumin mo beta-carotene. Tapos ito na. So, kailangan mo na ng vitamin A. Sasabihin ng brain mo, uy, ilabas mo na yung nakaimbak na beta-carotene. Paki-convert na sa vitamin A kasi kailangan na. Saka pa lang siya i-convert na vitamin A. Oh, kaya walang madideds. Sayang! Hindi niya ma-serve yung purpose niya kung gusto magpawa. Joke lang po. But anyway, pwede pong madami, walang problema. The more the merrier. It's okay. Kasi if you don't, your body won't use it, just gonna pee it anyway. Or, there are 3 portal of exit in your body. Your perspiration, your wee-wee, and your poo-poo. Those are the portal of exit. Okay? So, naintindihan na? Naintindihan na po si free radicals? Si vitamin E? Si glutathione? At si vitamin C. Okay. Actually, there's more. Super, ay nako, pag naintindihan nyo parang, oh my God, wow, ganon. Ay, ma-add ko lang kasi this is my favorite. At last na lang, bioavailability uli. Di ba we have Magnical D? Di ba? The Magnical D, it's a combination of magnesium, calcium, vitamin D. Tama? Why? Because calcium will never be absorbed without magnesium. Magnesium will never be absorbed without vitamin D. Vitamin D will never be absorbed without boron. And boron will never be absorbed without silicon. And all those components is in your Magnical D and in your cell essentials. It was created na pag ininom mo, magagamit agad ng katawan, hindi mag-iintay ng ibang minerals. O pag uminom ka dyan ng calcium, dun sa labas, ibang brand, yung Caltrate. Ay, joke lang. Record. Diba? Anong laman nun? Calcium lang. Eh, paano yung ibang ingredients para magamit siya ng katawan mo? Eh, di nga. That's why, mababa ang absorbability, hindi mo magamit kasi nga, hindi agad nagamit ng katawan mo. Kasi parang nag-iintay, halimbawa, may performance. Dumating na si calcium. Eh, wala yung backup dancer. Paano na? Diba? Eh, kung andito kayong lahat, eh di, tapos na ang laban. Diba? Ganon. Kaya they play a very important part in a way that they work in synergy. That's why we have a high bioavailability. Kaya po sobrang amazing. These scientists, alam po talaga nilang gawin ang trabaho nila. Yun lang ang masabi ko. Okay? So next. And, ayan na, broad spectrum. 16 vitamins, 11 antioxidants, and minerals. Your vitamins are also antioxidants by nature. Well, vitamins are vitamins. They have specific function. But aside from that, they are also antioxidants. So 16 plus 11, ilan? Ilan? 27. So you have 27 antioxidants. Kung sa Myra E4G ay may gumanda, ilang antioxidant yun? 1 at 4. Ito, 27. Pag hindi tayo gumanda dyan, ewan ko na lang, magwawelga ako. O, 27 antioxidants. Die. So, ito na yung hinahanap mo para sa younger looking skin. Okay? So, may napansin na ba kayo dyan? May mga nag-bloom na ba? I love it. Okay. And of course, your minerals. Ito na nga yung sinasabi ko. May calcium, may magnesium, may vitamin D, may silicon, may boron, and everything else. And of course, we have intelligence technology that helps your cell communicate to other cells. And ang ginagawa ng intelligence mo, yung kayang i-produce ng katawan mo ng mga essential mga micronutrients, pinapaproduce na. 'Di ba? Sabi ng katawan mo, ito dahil marunong tayo mag-communicate, alam natin yung inventaryo, sino yung kulang, o sige na, pakiproduce na yan, kaya mo na i-produce. Yung wala, ito kunin natin sa cell essentials na ininom ni Kumari kanina. Ganon, sabi ni Brain. Naintindihan? Okay. Ay, Diyos ko, Lord. Of course, scan for intelligent patent. Paki-scan po. And you're gonna see our own patent here. Paki-scan po. Lahat po ba may cellphone? Sige po, hindi ko po paparaffle ngayon kasi kasama po yan sa program. Nakita nyo? Ano nakalagay? Ano nakalagay? Ito tayo sa dulo. Nasaan? Anong nakalagay? Dito tayo sa dulo. Ayan, oh dear. Anong nakalagay?
Increasing lifespan.
Sino pang nag-scan dito?
Nakalagay po, methods and composition for supporting endogenous systems related to lifespan.
Wow, congratulations. O, last na po. Sino nakapag-scan? Ayan, dear, oh. Basa.
Sorry? Parang binanggit na rin ni Sir, methods and composition for supporting endogenous systems related to lifespan.
Congratulations. Okay, guys. Did you know? Not yet. Ayan. Alam niyo po ba, sabi ni Dr. Wentz, ang sabi ni Dr. Wentz, ito po yung statement niya. Tinawagan ko siya kanina. Sabi ni Dr. Wentz, with the right combination of all the nutrients essential for life, I could maintain human cells in healthy state without any signs of degeneration or disease. Grabe or grabe? Without any sign of walang bakat ng pagtanda, in Tagalog, at walang bakat ng karamdaman. Gusto nyo ba yon? Forever young? And forever healthy? And of course, forever wealthy? Kailangan. Fabulous, healthy, and wealthy. Okay, next. Of course, our cell essentials composed of 2 bottles, your vitamins and antioxidants, and of course your minerals. They separate it because during pag unstable form siya, remember sa chemistry, a stronger element will cancel a weaker element? Naalala o tulog noon? Pero ngayon, gising ba kayo? Parang ang hirap pagturo, Parang sila doon malapit ng kulang, puro minerals ang ininom mo lang yung vitamins. Okay? Kasi the role of your minerals is to shut your body down, to rest you. The role of your vitamins is to give you energy. So baka sila, hindi nila pagsabay, minerals lang yun nainom. Kaya malapit na silang mag-rest. Okay? So anyway, so dalawa yan. Your green is your vitamins and your antioxidants. Your blue is your minerals. But this time, iinumin mo siya together because together they are as in stable form already and they will work together in synergy in your body. Katulad nung pinakita nating example kanina. Naintindihan? And of course, the goal is to pair in the morning and pair in the evening. Pero kung nagtitipid, pwede ding isa muna. Pwede, kasi wala. Pero kung mayaman-yaman, edi 4 times a day or 3 times a day. Pero, paano po pag wala-wala talaga? Edi every other day. Joke lang. Kaya sa wala. Diba? Kasi mag-shift brand ka sa pipitsugin na kahit uminom ka ng 10, walang effect. Diba? O kahit dalang-dalangan mo kung at least mataas ang absorbability at maiipon naman sa katawan pag hindi gamit. Pero syempre pag stress ka, damihan mo. Kasi gamit na gamit talaga yan. So tanong dito, sino po ba dito yung stress? Asang kamay? 4 times a day yan kasi stress. Okay. Pag hindi stress, okay lang twice. And then, mas maganda po siya with meals. Okay? With meals. Okay? Ito po, kahit walang laman ng tiyan mo, hindi siya magkakos ng acidity. Okay? Safe na safe po ito. Kaya nga safe. Kanina, safe. So, kahit walang laman ng tiyan mo, pwede mo siyang inumin. But, highly recommended na you have to take it with meals or with food because the food will act as a buffer. Ano ibig ko sabihin? Uminom ako ng cell essentials. Hindi pa ako magdadigest kasi ang laman lang ng stomach ko, 2 kapiranggot na tableta. Pero pag meron akong laman, kumain ako ng dinner, so may 1 cup of rice, 1 whole chicken, and 1 cup of vegetables. So, pulpak yung tiyan ko, and then uminom ako ng pear. So your brain will tell you, ay, may laman na, lalarga na. Pakisend na sina enzymes para mag-digest na. Madadigest na siya. Parang jeep. Parang pag jeep. Pag kulang, hindi lalarga. Okay? Pag puno na, pwede nang lumarga. Ganon. So your food, or in English, pag social yung kausap mo, well, your food acts as a buffer. Pero pag medyo dyan lang sa kanto, parang jeep lang yan, di ba? Pag hindi pa puno, hindi pa lalarga. So punuin muna, tas inom, di larga, ganon. O alam mo na, pagkausap mo, medyo social buffer. Diba? Okay? O ano pa, may tanong pa ba dyan? Diyos ko, wala na. Okay? Okay, next. O, eto na. Dito na tayo. Natuwa ba kayo sa Essentials? O, sa akin lang kayo natuwa? Okay. Okay, so, let's proceed. Eto. These are the benefits na mararamdaman mo upon taking Essentials. You have to take note of this. And, eto na. If you're going to share, Yusana, dapat, i-share mo sa kanila na ito yung mararamdaman mo so they could have this element of anticipation. Okay? Para meron silang i-anticipate na mangyayari sa kanila. So, pag naramdaman nila yung nabanggit mo, automatic, mako-connect nila yon sa uminom sila ng Essentials. Kasi kung hindi mo sinabi, uminom lang sila, gumanda yung tulog nila, baka sabihin nila, ay wala lang. Kasi masarap lang yung tulog ko. Pero hindi mo kasi nasabi, so hindi nila na-anticipate. Dahil pala yung Essentials, so hindi ka makakabenta. Okay? Okay. Una, first benefit is body's defense or immunity. Or in short, hindi ka sakitin. Okay? Ang story ko po dyan, ganito. Usually, di ba yung katawan mo nangungusap sa'yo? Alam mo, pagtatarangkasuhin ka. Parang ngayon, layo, may COVID, joke lang. So parang for example, nangungusap yung katawan mo, oh my God, tatarangkasuhin ako, I can feel it. So, ang gagawin ko, iinom ako ng 2 pares. At iinom ako ng maraming tubig at tutulog ako. Pagkagising ko, parang walang nangyari. Diba? Sa halip na maging trangkaso, parang walang nangyari. Diba? O kaya, pag magkatrangkaso ka, mas mabilis ang recovery ng katawan. Instead na 5 araw ka may himlay, 2 araw lang, okay ka na. Buhay ka na uli. Okay? O, eto na. O, so tandaan niyo po yung story ko, ha? O, kung meron ka ng experience about immunity, o, tandaan mo na yan. O, second, quality sleep. Sino dito yung naka-experience? Ang sarap ng tulog. Wow! Ay, yung iba hindi nasarapan na tulog. Dati nang masarap ang tulog. Ayan. Ganito po siya. During night, okay. Pag gabi, every night, that's the time our body repairs. May purpose po kung bakit nilikha ng Diyos ang umaga sa gabi. So, the morning is intended to work and the night is intended for the body's repair. So, our body is wear and tear. You use it in the morning and at nighttime, you are expected to repair it. But again, you need ingredients to repair the body. Okay? That's why, ano yung ingredients mo to repair the body? Ito po yun. The vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants is the one who's going to repair your body. Okay, so anong nangyayari? Kung wala ka nito sa katawan mo, or hindi mo kinain sa pagkain mo, kahit matulog ka ng 10 hours, pagising mo, hinihila ka pa rin ng kama. That's the reason. Why? Because wala kang janitor na nilagay sa katawan mo para maglinis. Okay, para kang mall. Sinara mo yung mall mo kahit 24 hours mong isara. Kung wala ka namang janitor, di pag bukas mo niyan, madumi pa din. Pero ang mall, kahit 4 hours mo lang isara, kung lagyan mo naman ng isang dang tagalinis, in 4 hours, tapos ang laban, linis ang katawan, pagising, well-rested. Gets? Kaya, kahit 4 to 5 hours lang ang tulog mo with Essentials, when you wake up in the morning, you feel well-rested. Agree or agree? Agree. Okay. And, ang sarap ng managinip. Diba? Dapat nananaginip. Why? Because it's a REM state. Ibig sabihin, deep sleep ka. Okay? So, dapat nananaginip. Okay, sleep is very, very important. Wag lang bangungot. Pero at least, nanaginip pa rin. Diba? At least, yun, kailangan ma-repair ang katawan. Alam mo yan, mararamdaman sa katawan mo. Lagi ko pong sinasabi to, your body cannot talk to you. Diba? Your body, for example, pagod yung katawan mo. Ala naman sabihin ng katawan mo, huy, utang na loob. Matulog naman tayo. Pagod na ako. Hindi naman magsasalita yung body mo ng ganun eh. But your body will talk to you in forms of signs and symptoms. Diba? You feel sleepy. You're gonna yawn. Why? When you yawn, because marami kang carbon dioxide sa katawan. Because when you are detoxifying, you're utilizing your oxygen and you're gonna produce more carbon dioxide. That makes you more sleepy. Diba? So, your body will talk to you in form of signs and symptoms. So, dapat marunong kang makiramdam at makisama. Gets? Galit na. Okay. Number 3. Tandaan nyo po yan. O yung kwento mo ng immunity, kwento mo ng sleep, o tandaan mo. Second, regular bowel movement. O, sinong constipated, huwag magtaas ng kamay. Alam niyo po ba, dapat every kumakain ka, didiskarga ka. Ganun lang yun. May pinasok, diskarga. Pinasok, diskarga. Kung madalas kang may pinapasok, wala kang dinidiskarga, nakakatakot, day. Diba? Labas-labas din pag may time. Diba? Huwag masyadong madamot, ilabas. Okay, kailangan po yun. Kasi imagine mo sa bahay, when you have kalat, basura for 3 days, ang baho ng bahay. Imagine your body that cannot get rid of those waste material, waste products. O, imagine, nandun siya. So, you have to regularly diskarga. Okay? And, of course, healthy skin. Healthy skin. You know why? Ba't lagi kasing kinakatakutan, natatakot ako, baka masira yung liver and kidney ko. Eh, vitamins nga to sa liver and kidney. Diba? And you know what? The organ that detoxifies your skin is your liver. Pag healthy ang liver, healthy skin. So, ibig sabihin, pag ininom mo to, nagiging healthy yung liver mo, mas nagiging glowing and bright yung skin mo. Diba? Kaya nga yung iba, pa-inject ng glutathione eh. Kasi side effect nga nun is whitening side effect. Ito, the goal is, dito meron po tayong N-acetyl-L-cysteine. Precursor siya ng glutathione. So, when you drink it, okay, your body will produce your own glutathione. Ibig sabihin, yung glutathione is just enough for your body na kailangan niyang gamitin. Eh, hindi po kasi maganda yung nagpapa-inject ka na nagpapa-inject. Number 1, delikado. Hindi mo alam, baka hindi marunong yung nag-inject, ma-inject na sa kabila, magka-AIDS ka pa, delikado. Gusto mo lang gumanda, nagka-AIDS ka pa. O kaya yung mga sakit because of, diba, sepsis and stuff like that. But, the goal is not for you to really whiten. Kasi, ang init sa Pilipinas. Who will protect your skin? Maputi ka nga, skin cancer ka naman. So, eto kasi, ang galing nito, very intelligent. Kasi, yung N-acetyl-L-cysteine, siya yung magpuproduce ng natural glutathione just enough for your body. Yung kailangan lang ng katawan mo para to protect you na hindi ka naman magkakaproblema sa skin cancer because of the sun. Gets? Kaya this one is better. Okay, at least hindi lang skin, hindi lang liver, and all the organs to, mula ulo hanggang paa. Okay? And, eto na, metabolism and energy. Well, may chromium, tinutulong yung pancreas mag-release ng insulin, so it's very good. But anyway, overall metabolism, akala ng tao, pag kumain ng kanin, ng macronutrients, carbohydrates, protein, fats, okay na. Hindi po. Kailangan mo ng B vitamins to convert that glucose into energy. Kailangan mo ng coenzyme para ma-convert that glucose into energy. Kung wala ka ng micronutrients na ingredients, ang ginagawa sa glucose mo, hindi siya nako-convert sa energy, i-deposit lang siya as fats. Kasi ang nangyayari sa mga tao, kain lang ng kain, hindi nako-convert ng fats, hindi nako-convert ng energy, nagiging fats, i-deposit. So, madedetect ng brain, gutom pa rin. So, the brain will order, kumain ka uli kasi gutom ka, kasi walang energy. So, kakain ka na naman. Not knowing that the problem lies in the micronutrient deficiency. Hirapan ako. Naintindihan? Diba? Kaya hindi sapat yung nakakakain lang ng kanin at ulam. You need this. This is essential for life. This is essential in your cell. This is not something synthetic. This is not something na foreign to your body. It is indeed found in your cell. This one. Nasa cell mo mismo to. And this is the nutrients needed by your cell for basic cellular function. Kasama yung metabolism. And of course, with metabolism comes with energy. Kasi pag na-metabolize ng maayos sa convert ng energy, edi energetic ka. Okay? Naintindihan? Kaya naintindihan yung iba, kung sino pa yung matakaw, sila pa yung hinain. Kung sino pa yung mataba, sila pa yung pagurin. Katok. Ano yung katok-tok sa langit ang tamaan, wag magagalit. Huwag po kayo magalit. Ganun po yun. So you need more micronutrients in your body para ma-metabolize yan. Kahit po yung mga nakaimbak dyan, pwede pa yung ma-metabolize. Kaya nga meron tayong B5 dito, pantotenic acid. Mine-metabolize yung fat deposits mo, B5 yun. O, yan po ang pinakamahal na B vitamins. Tayo lang ang meron. Ilabas mo, iharap mo sa akin. Lahat ng vitamin B brand, walang B5. Walang pantotenic kasi that's very expensive. O, ayan na. So, damihan ng essentials para matunaw ang taba. Very good. Very good? Nasa dulo po, nagising pa ba kayo? Okay. Kasi parang kulang po yung platform. Kasi naka-platform na ako pero hindi ko pa din kayo nakikita. Masyado. Okay. But anyway, eto na. Eto na. Timing and follow-up. Eto na. Naalala ko na to. Naalala ko na to slide ito. 147. 147. Eto na. Sino dito yung nagpapa-free taste? Taas ang kamay. Nagpapa-free taste. Ay, ang kukuripot. Alam niyo po ba, naalala ko sa Macau, doon sa may yung ruins, may ruins doon sa church. 'Di ba dadaan ka doon? Tapos pag lumampas ka doon sa mga nagtitinda ng mga beef jerky, mga pork, busog ka na. Kasi lahat ng dadaanan mo may free taste. So pag gutom ka, traveler ka, backpackers ka, dumaan ka lang sa free taste. Kasi yung mga inchik, nagpapa-free taste sila. Kaya kahit wala kang pambili. Ayan, paglabas mo, ang bibilin mo na lang, pantulak. Kasi barado na, sobrang, ang dami mo lang na free taste. Okay? So, dapat ito, yun yung, alam mo yun yung konsepto na talaga natutunan ko, kailangan may pa-free taste ka. Because if you believe that the product is really good product, dapat andun ka sa point, sige, try mo. Pag wala nangyari sa'yo, pakiluwa. Joke lang. Joke lang, magiluwa. Sige, yung parang, wala nangyari? Sige, batukan kita, pakiluwa ha. But anyway, eto na. When you present your sana, ano lagi yung unang sasabihin nila? Pag hindi magjo-join, ano yung lagi nilang alibi? Hindi. Ang una nilang, aside from mahal, pag-usapan natin yung mahal na yan. Hindi tayo lalabas, hindi natin sabihin yung mahal yan. Namaya tayo sa handling objection, dyan sa mahal. Ang una nilang sasabihin, itatry ko muna. Tama? Ay, tatry ko muna kasi syempre, ang pakilala mo ng Yusana, 52,000, 30,000, 20,000, diba? So syempre, sa totoo, wala lang yung pera. Wala lang talagang pampiin, pero sabihin nila, ay, try ko muna yung products. Diba? O, eto na. Paano may conclusion deal? O, product lang pala eh. Magjo-join pala to pag natikman na yung product. Eh, di bigyan mo na ng isang pares. Tikim lang pala eh. Di ba sabi, itatry yung products? Hindi naman sinabi na itatry yung whole bottle eh. Di ba? Pag nakainom na, try na yon. Okay? So, ito yung ginagawa ko. So, when I present you sana, ngayon ang galing kasi merong ziplock. We have Ziploc. So, pwedeng magtingi. Okay. Pwedeng magpa-free taste. Kung ano mo purpose nun, bahala ka na. But anyway, ang ginawa ko, pag-present, sige, itatry muna. Hi! Oh, perfect! Oh, perfect! Kasi, dala ko yung pang personal consumption ko. Ayan. Tapos, syempre, eto naman, gamitin niyo yung puppy dog clothes. Okay? Kung hindi nyo alam, next training na yon. Pero puppy dog clothes, basically, gagamitin mo yung senses. So, kailangan, visual, napakita mo, kalugin mo. Ay, wala naman. Shhh! Ayan, may napapakinggan niya, kumakalog-kalog. So, maaalala niya yun. Tapos bubuksan mo na. Papaamoy-amoy mo sa kanya. Organic, natural. Ayan, sige. Ay, pero po. Ayan. Tapos ito na. Wow, galing-galing naman ni tita. So, ito na. Tapos tingian mo na. Ganito. Bigyan mo na ng instruction. Eto ha. Para matry mo na agad. Kasi di ba sabi mo, ibalik mo sa kanya, di ba sabi mo gusto mo itry yung produkto? Eto na. Try mo na. Para magkaalaman na kung mag-join ka o hindi. Di ba? So, bigyan mo ng instruction. After, ito talaga yung perfect na instruction. So, after eating dinner, inumin mo na itong pares na ito. Inumin mo na itong pares na to after eating dinner. And 100%. Siyempre, ima-mindset mo na. Kasi kung ano yung sinasabi mo sa kanya, yun yung mararamdaman niya. Ganun yun. Pag hindi mo sinabi, hindi yung mararamdaman. Parang may bulong to eh. So, kailangan sabihin mo, ito yung mararamdaman mo. Naramdaman ko nga. Ganun. Parang may magic power. So, sabihin mo, ito yung mararamdaman mo, Pak. Balik. Ito yung mararamdaman mo. Or, kung gabi na at dinner naman kayo, palunukin mo na. Dapat andun ka, kita mo na nilulunok niya. Painumin mo na, bigyan mo tubig, bigyan mo itong pares, inumin mo na now na. Ganon. Kasi syempre, bago mo naman painom, inasas mo naman na gusto mo yung products, di ba? Oo, ang ganda. Di ba? Product o business, product. Di ba? Ito na, inom. Subuan mo na kung pwede. Ito na. Sabihin mo na, alam mo, ayan, ininom mo na, pustahan tayo. Malakas ka niyan. Masarap ang tulog mo. Pag pustahan tayo, pagising mo sa umaga, ang lakas ng katawan mo. Sarap ng tulog mo. Tapos, pag upo mo sa CR, hindi ka na kailangan mag-cellphone at mag-dyaryo. Pag umupo pa lang, didiskarga ka na. Diba? Ganon kabilis. And, pansin mo, mas malakas ka talaga that day. Expectin ko yan ha. Ito na. Dahil, napatikim mo siya ng free taste mo. Pero ganito siya, meron tayong mga friends, mahiyain. So pag binigyan mo lang ng pares, di ba? Sige na nga, bili na ako ng 1 week. Edi benta ka na. Di ba? Kaya ang dadalin mo, yung pang personal consumption mo, para bukas na. Okay? So meron na, alam nyo, yung mga classmate ko sa Masteral, mga pulubi din. So, ang order sa akin weekly. Alam mo, to the point na parang, kaka-weekly, no, matatapos na kami ng semester. Sabi niya, sige na nga, order na ako ng bote, nahiya na ako sa'yo eh. Parang gusto ko, thank God, nahiya na siya. Kasi nahirapan din ako kakatingi eh. So at least nahiya na. Thank you po. Ayan. So, ngayon, eto na. Kung napainom mo, meron ka ngayong reason to follow up. Ngayon, kung prinesentan mo, hindi mo napainom, ano pag-uusapan nyo? Kamusta? Mag-join ka na? Bro, nagustuhan mo ba? Mag-join ka na ba? Mag-join ka? Diba? Wala kayong conversational starter during phone conversation because wala kang iniwang remembrance. Diba? You have to leave something to your guests para meron ka uling i-connect the next time you're gonna call them or meet them. Kaya importante yung product. Okay? So, meron ka ngayong reason to connect. Kamusta yung tulog mo? Yung ganon. Gets? And then, kung isa lang yung pina-free taste mo, problema tayo sa 4 and 7. Kailangan natin solusyonan yung 4 and 7. Ito. Pwede mo ngayon tawagan. Ang sarap ng tulog mo. Ang sarap. So, bro, gusto mo ba, tingian kita nitong pang personal ko. Good for 1 week. Di may sale ka. May pang follow up ka pa. Gets? Oh, ngayon, dahil tiningan mo siya for 1 week, kasi nga, ang kaya mo lang ilibre, one pair. Kasi nag-start ka pala ng Usana business mo, at kailangan work smart sa finances, okay? So, tingian mo na. So, para ika-fourth, ika-fourth day, meron ka ng, ang sarap, kamusta na? Mas malakas ka na, no? At saka hindi ka masyadong sakitin, malakas ka, hindi ka masyadong antukin, mga ganyan. Okay? O tapos ito na, pag may positive healing, may positive healing response, dun mo na sagutin. Uy, grabe, nagde-detoxify ka. Gusto mo sabihin? Di ba kasi, hindi, ba't ganun? Sumama yung pakiramdam ko, kala ko tataas yung immunity ko dyan. Bro, alam mo, nagde-detoxify yung katawan mo, buti nga may naramdaman ka eh. Ibig sabihin, may effect yung vitamins. Kasi that's the role of the vitamins. It's not just to repair, but also to detoxify. Opak! Lusot? Pero meron talaga. Marami talagang positive healing response. Diba? That's the response, your body, because there's detoxification process that's happening. Okay? And, ika-7th day, usually on the 7th day, dun na mag-glow yung skin. Dun mo na makikita na the skin is glowing, it's vibrant, and you're getting prettier and more handsome. Sabi nga po, wala pong taong pangit. Hindi lang po uso ang muka. Pero dadating kasi ang time, iba din yung uso. So baka by that time, uso na. Okay? So think positive. Okay na? Naintindihan na itong 147? Nagnenegosyo kayo ha, kailangan matutong dumiskarte. Galit na ako. Okay, ito na, powerful sharing of essentials. So you have to take note of yung 5. Yung, kung bago ka lang at wala ka pang story about immunity, gamitin mo yung story ng upline mo, yung crossline mo, okay? And then yung sarap ng tulog, yung bowel movement, yung extra energy, and yung healthy glowing skin. Tapos, i-memorize mo yung story. Mag-practice ka sa mirror. Tingnan mo kung maganda yung bagsakan mo. Diba? Tingnan mo. Kasi, ang goal mo, every time kakausap ka ng kliyente, tapos, eto na, example, may friend ka, alam mong laging puyat. O, pwedeng hindi puyat, pero pagising, mukhang puyat. So, alam mo na yung tatargetin. Hindi mo naramdaman yung sarap ng tulog kasi dati ka naman ang masarap ang tulog. Tama? So, syempre, you don't wanna lie. So, kukunin mo yung experience ng upline mo na siya gumanda yung tulog. So, every time may kakausapin ka, kung ano yung problem niya, para kang may flashcard sa utak. Ay, yung kausap ko, problema ang tulog. Ano nga ba yung story about tulog? Ilabas mo yung flashcard sa isip mo, yun yung sabihin mo. May friend ka mukhang constipated. Girl, you look like constipated. Isipin mo, kung constipated ka rin, share your story. Ako, alam mo, dati ko rin problema yan. I'm so constipated. So, before, ngayon, hindi ako mukhang constipated. Pero anyway, joke lang. Guys, the goal, syempre, is to connect with clients. Tama? Kasi ang goal natin is to share your products in 7 days. Yan yung agenda natin. So, ito kailangan natin ito matutunan. Okay? Hindi dapat masaya lang. Kailangan pag umalis dito, may natutunan. Okay? Okay, hindi to comedy bar. Ano to? Usana University to. So, ganito. Number 1, girls, asan yung mga menti ko dito? Ang lagi kong sinasabi, you attract people by becoming an attractive person. Very good. Ulitin ko, you attract people by being an attractive person. The best kasi talaga that the products will reflect on you. Para kung nagtatrabaho ka sa office, umiinom ka ng essentials, naka 7 days ka na glowing skin, dapat yung office mate mo, manonotice, girl, parang nag-glow yung skin mo. Tama? Instead na ikaw yung magsabi, girl, mukha kang constipated. Girl, mukha kang puyat. Diba, mas iba yung, ikaw yung in-approach. It's the other way around. Ikaw yung, girl, mukhang hindi ka na constipated. excited. Girl, ang ganda mo na ngayon. Because of, aalog-alog ka na ngayon. Aalog ka na. Simple. Essentials. Diba? Or pag nasa lunch kayo, diba? Ganyan. Habang nagla-lunch kayo, tapos nanonotice na ng girl mo, oy girl, parang gumaganda yung skin mo ngayon. Ay, oo nga, actually may secret ako. Tapos kumakain kayo, di ba? Nilalabas mo na sa bag. Inaalog-alog mo na yan. Tapos, tapos yung pagbukas mo, yung tipong dahan-dahan pa talaga, yung papansin. Di ba? Ay, nalaglag. Oh, ito yung iniinom ko. Ito yung green. Yung green, that's vitamins and antioxidants. Uy, alam mo, 27 yung antioxidants niyan. Mura lang yan. 14.50 per tablet. Oh, mahal, mura. Yung 4G nga, for antioxidants lang yun, 28. Wag nga kayo. Oh, madaming bumibili nun ha. Yung Myra E nga ilang yun ha. Magkano yun, 20? Oh, 27 antioxidants? 14.50? ako nagalit. O, diba? So, yun. Pakita mo, mura lang yan, girl. Inom-inuman na. Tapos there, pwede ka na magpa-free taste. Pag nagpa-free taste ka na doon, girl, ang sarap ng tulog mo. Ganyan. Explain mo uli yung 5. Okay, explain mo uli yung 5. Kasi pwedeng hindi glowing skin yung problema niya. Baka kontento siya sa skin niya, pero baka constipated siya. Lagi constipated. Baka puyat siya, or baka hindi siya nakakatulog ng maayos. So, lagi mong i-share yung 5 benefits. Okay? Pero kung meron doon na parang, ay, alam ko yan, maganda yan. O, di, daanin mo na. O, sa akin ka nakukuha, Galingan mo. Okay? Naintindihan po? Alam niyo po, napakasimple lang ng Yusana. You just have to be a good conversationalist. Diba? If you're good in conversation, lahat kaya mong ilusot. Yung tipong iba na yung pinag-uusapan, mapupunta na naman kayo sa constipation. Yung tipong travel yung pinag-uusapan, puyatan pa rin ang pinag-uusapan. Yung maibabalik at maibabalik mo lagi. Kasi kailangan mo yung maibalik doon para meron kang pangtawid, maibridge sa kanila yung Yusana products. Why? Kasi ang goal po natin is to create a problem and give solution. Again, you have to look for a problem and then provide solution. Okay? Anong mararamdaman mo kung wala kang lagnat, pinapainom ka ng paracetamol ng kaibigan mo? Hindi mo ma-appreciate yung thoughtfulness. Why? Kasi wala ka naman lagnat and they're giving you paracetamol. What for? I'm not even sick. Diba? I don't have a fever. Gosh. O diba? So you don't need it. Gets? Same. When you offer essentials, but there's no problem, they won't appreciate it. Kasi there's no problem eh. Why are you providing solution to a problem that doesn't even exist? So you have to create a problem, look for a problem, and then provide solution. And this time, they will appreciate you because you provide solution to their problem of mababang immunity, hindi makatulog, constipated, low energy, and pangit ang skin. Yun ang problema. Okay, babalik na naman natin. Paulit na naman tayo. Ano, saan? Ay, alayo na. Kung ano pinipindot ko. Oh, yan. Kailangan yan yung problema na mahalukay mo, yan yung susolusyonan natin. Now, kasi pag tayo sana distributor, kung sino-sino kasi pinagpupuntahan, dun sa nalumpo, napilay, dun sa bedridden, dun sa mamamatay na. Diyos ko po, Lord. Hirap ka tuloy makabenta, tapos pag nabigyan mo ng produkto, paano kung namatay na, hindi mo na masingil? Diba? Ang simple-simple ng produkto natin, lahat ng tao gusto matulog na matiwasay. Tama. Ba't kasi ang hinahanap mo yung mga tipong may himlay na? Mas marami yung taong healthy pa kaysa malapit na madeds. Huwag mong pahirapan yung sarili mo mag-explain ng pathophysiology na hindi mo alam about diseases, stroke, cardiovascular cancer and stuff. Well, in fact, there are simple things to share to your clients kung wala ka naman sa medical field. Gets? Hindi pa ako galit. I'm just explaining. Okay? So you have to learn to share Yusana to all your healthy friends. Kasi ang goal nga natin is prevention. Paano kung, kasi naawa po ko, di syempre, pwede naman, pero the more na mas marami dapat siyang inumin. Kasi a normal individual would require 2 tablets to 4 tablets. So if you're someone na you have tons of cells to repair in your body, you need a lot more. Not just essentials, but of course, the optimizers also. Okay, do you understand? Okay, so, as a regular human being na ginagamit ng katawan na kailangan i-repair, this cell essentials is essential. Pak! Diba? Parang commercial. Gets? Ginagamit mo, repair mo. Diba? Kung ayaw mo uminom, kumain ka ng isang batyang gulay and prutas. Ganun lang kasimple. Ayaw mo bumili, kumain ka ng sakus-sakong mga halamang prutas dyan, damo-damo. Oh. Ganun lang. Nagtitipid ka, maghalukay ka ng damo dyan. O diba, kung ayaw mo, shortcut sa essentials. Ganun lang kasimple ang buhay. Gets? O, hindi pa ako galit, nagpapaliwanag lang. And of course, tapos na yan. 147. Tandaan nyo, 147. Kasi yun ang kailangan natin, 147. 147. So, dapat anong meron para makapag 147 ka? Meron kang pa-free taste or dapat mapabili mo sila? Okay, kahit tingi. Siyempre, better, isang buo na para may points, 34 points. And of course, ayan na, when you talk to client, you establish rapport nga. And then, pag nakuha mo na yung problema, i-bridge mo sa Cell Essentials a solution, and you proceed in enrollment and PC. Naintindihan? Okay. And of course, the power of establishing rapport. Ayan. Kailangan honest ka. Yun yung sinasabi ko. Kung hindi mo naman naramdaman, huwag kang liar. Diba? Don't be such a liar. You get the story of other people. Tapos ipunin mo yung flashcard na yun na parang nakahilera sa isip mo para when you need a story to mirror, yun yung halukayin mo. Don't lie. Di ba, wag mo naman sabihin, yan po dati, nakahiga po yan, ngayon po naglalakad na, pabaliktad pa. Nakakawag ganun. Wag. Ba't yun? Hindi po natin kailangan magsinungaling kasi our product is very potent. Okay? So, ayan establish appearance. Again, ulitin ko, you become an attractive. You attract people by becoming an attractive? Very good. First yourself. And sabi nga, first impression last. That's true. Kasi mali mo, yun na yung first and last yung magkita. So ang nakita niya sa'yo ay uhugin. Nagsasessentials pa naman yun. Imagine mo, na-label na tayong lahat na nagsasessentials, uhugin. Kasi nakita ka niya, nagsasessentials, tumutulo-tulo yung sipon mo. Nakakahiya, di ba? Look for common ground. Di ba, tingnan mo, alam mo, maganda nga ito if you have same interest. Kasi, like for example, ako, I'm sa gym. Hindi mo talaga ako nag-gym. Umaten lang po ako ng mga class, mga yoga, hip-hop, ganyan. So, yung mga ka-gym bodies ko na mga hip-hop class, yoga class, syempre, ang ginagawa namin, meron na kaming club. Dati hindi nagpapansinan. At di ba pag gano'n, like sa Fitness First Platinum, pupunta ka lang doon, sasayaw ka lang, uwian na. Ang ginagawa na, ito na, may pa-GC na, ad. Tapos may GC na, hip-hop class 7:30. Tapos magme-message doon, ay, maaga tayo ngayon ha. O may dala akong food. Di ba? Why? Because food serve as buffer. Not only a buffer, but food is the gateway to not only man's heart, but everybody's heart. Apparently, even girls love food nowadays. So, if you have food, you can create friends. Diba? Over like something. So, you sit down and you eat your food. And then, eto na. So, syempre, kailangan natin ng carbs kasi magpapapawis tayo, sasayaw tayo later. But eto na, yung sa bag mo, ano na naman ang ginagawa mo? Aalog-alog ka na naman. Ganon. Talagang, yung tipong yung tati, ganun ka lang, huwag ka mahiya. Ganon. Para lahat ng tao sa gym, nakikita, nagsasell essentials ka. Tapos dapat may laman para may sound effects. Ganon. Para kitang-kita nila, ay, nagsasell essentials siya. Tapos, ito na. Ay, nako, uminom tayong lahat nito para matalas ang isip, ma-memorize ang step. Di ba? Malakas ang pangangatawan, hindi mahina agad matapos ang class. Di ba? So, na i-share mo na yung mga benefits. 'Di ba? Na for them. Actually, walang need. Pero ikaw na nagsabi ng mga, ito pangangailangan nyo, oo. 'Di ba? Wala naman silang sinasabi. Nagkikreate ka lang. Okay, 5 minutes left for me. Okay, so, lead conversation towards health. O, kamusta ka na? Stressful ba ang buhay? Yes, stressful. Di ba? Wala naman tayong distress eh. Pero usually yung ganyan, kamusta ka na sa company mo? Gamitin niyo yung form. Family, occupation, recreation, and then your message. O, kamusta na family? Kamusta na si tito, tita? O, buti nga. Yung parents mo hindi sakitin. Actually, yung parents ko sakitin. Sabi, hindi nga, ikalalabas na sa ospital. Ay, ano nangyari kay tita? Ayun, na high blood nung last time. Ay, talaga, alam mo, yung mami ko dati, nagme-metropolol yun. Ngayon, hindi na. Anong ginagamit na lang niya? Ito na naman. Lahat na lang. Ito talaga, pero syempre, hindi bigla, mga ganon. So, dapat marunong ka magpapansin. Okay, so yung family, occupation, matagal ka na sa trabaho mo, tagal na siguro ng laki na siguro ng sweldo mo dyan. 10 years? Wow! Naku girl, mayaman ka na. Ay, naku, hindi nga. Yung promotion ko nga, nasulot nung isa eh, kasi, ay, naku, sip-sip, girl. Ay, ganun ba? Ay, alam mo, may sariling skit eh. Wait lang. Ay, girl, ganun ba? Magkano sweldo mo? Ay, nako, minimum wage pa din. Gusto mo ba ng extra income? Nag-skip. Napagod. Yon. Dapat marunong kayo doon. Ano pa ba? Yon. Tapos, syempre, pag mukhang Hagardo Versosa, wag mo naman sabihin, girl, mukhang Hagardo Versosa. Diba? Girl, mukhang constipated. Wag naman ganun. Hindi pwede mo sabihin, hindi naman pwede, girl, mukha kang bloated. Ang laki ng puson mo, girl. Hangin ba yan or poops? Tapos, ay, may solusyon ako dyan. Ay, wait lang. Dapat mirroring. Actually, the feel, felt, found. Actually, ganyan din ako dati. Bloated din ako dati. At hirap din ako makapoops. But now, because of hindi na. Diba? Gusto mong i-try? Okay? Galingan. Alam mo yung sekreto? Ito po yung sekreto ha. Pag hindi mo kakilala yung kinakausap mo, dapat feeling close ka. Because energy can never be created or destroyed, can only be transferred, and it can be felt. If yung kausap mo feeling close, di ba parang feeling close ka na din? Di ba, ay, we're soul sisters. Kahit kailan tayo nakita, we're soul sisters. Pero yung pala maglalabas na siya. So the secret, dapat feeling close. And then the rest, okay, pagkakilala mo, hindi dapat feeling, genuinely concerned. That's the right word. Genuinely concerned. Okay? But dapat ganun, genuine. Dapat genuinely na good vibes ka. Dapat genuinely na good energy ka. Kasi kahit ituro ko sa'yo itong mga pinagagagawa ko, kung may itim ang budhi mo, ramdam yan ang kausap mo because they can feel your bad energy. Okay? So kailangan good vibes ka and you have positive energy. That's why you have to always attend trainings. Diba? Because birds of the same feathers flock together. And the birds here are positive. Okay, game. Ayan na. Ayan yung mga sharing. Pero ito, the best pa rin talaga, instead na ikaw yung magtatanong, mas maganda pa rin talaga, may manonotice sila sa'yo. Iba pa din yun. Kasi iba yung you create curiosity. Diba? Okay? Pero, kung hindi mo kaya, kung wala kang makreate na curiosity, abay ko na yung mag-approach. Ala nga namang, ganyan-ganyan ka, gusto mo papansin ka. Gusto mong sabihin ng friend mo, girl, ang ganda mo, blooming ka. So parang gumaganyan-ganyan ka, batiin mo ko, girl, batiin mo. Girl, ala nga namang, maghintay ka, nababatiin ka na, ang ganda mo. Siyempre, kung walang appreciation na magaganap. Ikaw na mag-start ng conversation. Huwag mo naman sabihin, feeling ko ang ganda ko ngayon. Ay, time's up ako. Anyway, ayan. So, mas maganda, you are the product of your own product. And at the same time, you have to build loyal customer. Alam niyo po ba, yung mga presentan ko, 13 years ago are still my users up to this point of time. 13 years, they are still they're still buying to me. Okay? And you know what? 13 years ago, hindi sikat ang Yusana, hindi sikat ang Essentials, pahabaan ng presentation, 5 hours, 6 hours, gusto mo maintindihan. But of course, it doesn't really matter. Kung kahit pa sabi mo, 10 hours ko to explain, kung papakinabangan ko naman ng 13 years, it's never a problem. Right? So you don't have to treat your client na they are good as your last sale. Kasi if you ano nang tingin mo sa kanila, they're just buy you once and after that, you're gonna forget you. But if you treat them as you're genuinely concerned and you treat them as a family, you really want to help them, you're gonna benefit them for a very long time, years of doing it sana. So, how to deepen relationship? And invite for coffee. Diba? Open-minded ka ba? Ayan, new hobbies. So, mas maganda, ang punta mong hobbies, yung hobbies mo na. Ang hirap naman nung, di ba, makiki-adjust ka, hindi mo naman trip yung pinagagagawa nila. So, pumunta ka doon sa hobby ng gusto mo, doon ka maghanap ng kakilala mo. Okay, and give tokens, remembers, give respect, compliment, and then, extra mile. So, pag nagbigay ng pera, deliver agad. Dapat wag mong mag-create ka ng ng image mo na wherein maasahan ka at anong tawag doon yung reliable. Okay? And of course, keep them updated sa mga promo ng Yusana. And of course, find a partner. Pwede pa ba? Hindi na? We can still do so? This one? Okay. So ganito po. Yung mga pinagchika-chika ko, huwag mo sabihin yung pag tingin mo, girl, mukhang constipated. Wag ganun ha. Mabait. So, manap ka ng partner. I'll give you 5 minutes. Have a conversation. Saliitan. Ikaw muna and then yung kapartner mo. Mag-usap kayo. Find a common ground. And then find a problem. Itawid mo sa essentials at dapat makabenta ka. Okay? Go. 5 minutes starts now. Hello, guys! I need 2 volunteers. 2 volunteers. I need partner volunteer. Sino gusto mag-volunteer? Students, tapos na! Wah, guys, volunteer! Okay lang po. Guys, listen, students, kids, 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 students, kids. Oh my God. Hoy!
Hello guys, ayan. Time's up na po, ayan. Let's listen to Mentor Mads, guys.
Guys, oh wait lang, ang galing nyo talaga guys, grabe. Ramdam ko yung gigil nyo eh. Kulang lang ng props, walang umaalog. Pero anyway, meron tayong volunteer. Mag-isa lang siya, walang ka-partner. So mag-skit siya for us. Dapat ganun din ha. Yung gaganon ka, dapat may sasagot.
Check. My name is Marcos Inigo S. Garcia from Game Changers team po. Nice to meet you. Okay lang po ba medyo magkakalat po kasi since new user lang po kasi ako na Usana. So, expect nyo po na it's going to be imperfect. Okay lang po ba yun? Okay. So, ang hirap pala pag walang partner din. Dito. Pwede po ba may mag-volunteer po na any partner? Check. Hello po.
Hello.
So, sino po ba yung Ako po ba yung may yuyusana po or kayo po yung?
Sige, ikaw na lang. Partner na lang ako. Siguro ikaw na lang yung mag-uyusahan na.
Okay po.
Tapos ako yung offeran mo.
Okay. So, excuse me po kuya. Maganda po yung build ng katawan niyo po May tinetake po ba kayong supplements?
Actually, hindi. Bali, siguro lang, due to work na rin.
Due to work.
And yun, minsan, siguro minsan nag-ano din ako. Previously, no, into healthy lifestyle. No?
Healthy lifestyle. Well,
Ay, sorry.
although yun nga, I respect you for your work, pero buti na may maintain nyo at nagiging aware po kayo sa pangailangan nyo ng lifestyle.
Siguro minsan, na din, parang kailangan kasi, syempre, due to work, no, sobrang stress, kaya minsan, parang kailangan mo na din alam mo na, yung isipin mo kung ano yung lifestyle na dapat meron.
Very good po. At yun nga po, we're not getting any younger. Tapos yun nga, nag-work pa tayo, nakaka-deteriorate na ng katawan. And I don't want to brag, pero I just started my fitness journey din. And fortunately, one of my friends recommended me a great brand na hindi ko siya kinatakutan gamitin. Tapos na-enhance pa yung physical appearance ko. Like from, ang taba-taba ko dati, tapos biglang gumanda yung performance ko. And hindi lang po yan yung mga overwork, gets na gets ko po yan. Kasi lagi po ako natutulog na mga 6 hours, 4 hours. Pero as you can see, buhay pa rin naman ako. Kaya I would like to recommend, wala kasi ako. Yan. Ito po yung tinetake ko. So kung interested po kayo, I may offer you a free sample po. Tapos you may follow up po. Pwede po kayo humingi ng feedback po sa akin kung after a day. Tapos I'll keep in touch po after a week. And pwede po kayo mag-ano po sa akin. If you feel like it po, ibibigay ko po yung actual price niya. Pero for the meantime, let's test it out and let's see what happens through your body and your performance. Thank you.
Ay, dear, tigisa kayo. Thank you guys. Grabe, palakpakan naman natin. Ang galing. Alam nyo, grabe, parang mas expert pa sila. nila nung nag-start ako ng Gisana. Diba? Ang dami kong bloopers nung nag-start ako. Ito, my future. But anyway, guys, our modules, my module ends here. So, pero may assignment ako sa inyo. Okay? Ang assignment ko is, para lalo sa mga bago, create your prospect list. List down the names of your relatives, friends, college friends, high school friends, elementary friends, kindergarten friends. Isulat niyo po lahat. And then, from there, do not pre-qualify. Tingnan niyo po yung mga tao. Dapat na maka 100 kayo. And then yung list, yung po yung pagsisimulan nyo ng inyong USANA. Wait lang, kailangan kompleto. Sharing. Okay, so thank you everyone po for listening and for being here. God bless.
We're